In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with GitHub. By the end, you'll have your development work and your project planning speaking the same language, which means less context switching and clearer visibility for your whole team. Start by opening your web browser and logging into your ClickUp account. Once you're in, head to your workspace overview or the main TeamSpace page. This is the central hub where you manage tasks, lists, and spaces, and it's also where you'll access integrations. On this page, look for the More menu. Click it to reveal additional options you don't see at first glance. From there, select the Apps icon or Apps option. This opens the Integrations area. Think of it as your library of tools that connect to ClickUp. It's where all your available apps live, and where you can quickly set up or manage the services your team relies on. Now it's time to find GitHub. In many cases, it will be right in view among popular apps. If you don't see it immediately, just scroll through the list or use the search bar and type GitHub. When it appears in the results, click on it to open the integration details. Next, click Connect. You'll be prompted to authorize the connection between ClickUp and your GitHub account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions, such as allowing access to the repositories you want to work with. This authorization step is what enables ClickUp to pull in relevant GitHub activity, like issues and pull requests. If your organization manages permissions centrally, you might see an approval screen. Simply continue following the prompts shown.